Hello everyone. Today I want to show you the easiest transition to create in Premiere Pro, the whip pen transition. This transition is very useful in lot of scenarios. So we are gonna learn how you can create this transition inside Premiere Pro. The first step is to create the adjustment layer. Go to new item button and click on the adjustment layer. Now drag this adjustment layer on top of our clips. We only need a maximum of 20 frames long adjustment layer. Take the playhead in the middle of both of clips and press 10 times left arrow key and cut. Again take the playhead in the middle of our clips. This time press the right arrow key and cut it right here. Go to effects panel and search for offset. Add this effect to the adjustment layer. Then search for Gaussian blur and also add this to our adjustment layer. From the middle, take your playhead 5 frames backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make sure the adjustment layer highlighted. Then head over to the effects control panel. Here create the keyframe in the shift center by clicking on the stopwatch. Also create the keyframe for the blurriness. Again take your playhead in the middle and go 5 frames forward by pressing right arrow key 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For this we need to change the x-axis values of the offset. In my case I want the transition to start from right to left. -960 is the value we need. Also add the keyframe in the blurriness. Take the playhead in the middle and increase the blurriness according to your liking. Let's park it around 250. Now change the blur dimension from horizontal and vertical to horizontal only because our transition movement is horizontal. Okay. Select all the keyframes and change the time interpolation to Bezier. Then drop this arrow down here. Here we need to change the graph. To do that, click on the keyframe and these handles will show up. Grab the handle and pull it down and drag toward the middle. Now do the same thing with the other keyframe. Pull it down and drag toward in the middle. Just like that. Now let's preview our transition. Nice. You can adjust the transition speed according to your liking by adjusting to these handles or by adjusting the keyframes 1 or 2 frame inward or backward. So that's our whip and transition. With the same technique you can make other transition inside Premiere Pro. To make our transition start from another direction, just change the shift center value to 2880. Now if I play the transition, it will start from left to right. That is our second whip pen transition. To make vertical whip transition, first thing we need to change is blur dimension from horizontal to vertical. For vertical movement, we need to change the y-axis value. Let's bring it down and make sure the edge is gone. Now if I play, we create this nice downward movement in our whip transition. To move the transition down to up, go to y-axis and bring up the image. Just like that, and make sure the edge is gone, and now it's our final whip transition. I know now you know how to make this transition, but making it from scratch every time it little bit time consuming. Press and hold Ctrl key and select both of our effect. Now right click and here we need the select save preset. Give it a name. Make sure the scale is selected. Now click OK. To access your transitions, go to effects and under preset you will find it. One thing you have to make sure while using these transitions is that the adjustment layer needs to be 20 frames long.